Yo, Wincrease team, what's going on? It is Saturday morning, February 20th, 2021. And yes, the market is closed. So, yep, I'm a little bit behind. Took some time off. We took a week off. Had a heavy setback in my life, but that's all right. We move forward. So let's jump right into the market, all right? S&P and the Russell. So we're going to actually take a look at the Russell first. Let's take a look at what the week did. So last time I was on here, I was looking at the market to try to pull back a little bit. And that was my prediction. And clearly that did not happen. Not at all. The market continued to bounce. It pulled back and it hit this level here and just marched higher, and it got to a high of 230.33, and now we continue to see this trend has been being followed very tightly. So I'm not going to do any more predictions. If I didn't learn my lesson from way back when in like 2012 and all that, I need to learn my lesson now. No predictions. We're going to follow the market until it falls apart. So if it ain't broke, don't fix it. We got bounces. What do we got here? Another bounce. So until we see this fail, that's the only time we need to worry. Until then, keep riding. So market target 240. 250 is where I think it can eventually get to. Will it get there before the market pulls back? We'll never know. So right now we're going to continue to look at things to be bullish, and we have every signal in our favor. So the market made us move lower, touched our moving average, and now it is showing signs of getting ready to bounce. So I look for the market to continue to do what? Let's bounce again, all right? So that is the Russell. Let's take a check on the S&P. So S&P, similar, right? We had our emotions higher. We had our grind higher. Everything that I've said has come into fruition, except for last week that I was on, or I was looking for things to pull back. It pulled back, it hit this level, and now it's starting to trend a little sideways, but we have our moving average ready to maybe take things higher again. So that's what I'm looking for. It's not broken. You've seen it happen many of times where it traded sideways and, got a little wavy, but we continue to ride that wave higher. So I'm looking for the market to continue next week. Why not? We got no other reasons to say that it can't. So that's the summary for this week. Thank you for paying attention. If you like what you heard, make sure you hit that like, subscribe button, and make sure that you follow me on any social media. That's at Wincrease Team. And I will be working on a podcast right after this episode. All right. So y'all take it easy, and we'll check you next week. Enjoy your weekend. Peace.